Number 26, the cost of renting a carpet cleaner is $52 for the first day and $26 for each additional day. Which of the following functions gives the cost C of D in dollars of renting the carpet cleaner for D days, where D is a positive integer? Not gonna lie, when I first saw this, I thought they had made a mistake in their answers. I was like, oh, someone made a boo-boo. They did not. There's a little trick to this one. Okay, so the cost of renting a carpet cleaner. It is $52 for the first day. All right. And then for each additional day, it is $26 per day. So, okay, so $26 times the number of days, right? This would give me the cost, of like, okay, after the first day, this is how many days I've rented it for each additional day. But here's the problem. It's not, we can't do that because 26 for each additional day. That's what I'm treating the D as here. But is that what D is? It says, which of the following functions gives the cost C of D in dollars of renting the carpet cleaner for D days? So that counts this first day. It's included. So like, wait a minute. So if I put in a 1 here for D, like, all right, then that's going to be 52 plus 26. That's not how much I'd have to pay if I rented it for one day. I would only have to pay it $52 for that first day. So how can I represent that? What would it be? Eraser, there we go. How can I make this so that if I put in a 1 here, I will get $52 for the first day? Well, what if I changed this into an X? I know $26 a day has got to be part of this. I know that. But how can I say, all right, what's it going to be? What should that amount be, that X be? How can I solve this? Well, I know the first day it's going to cost me $52. And I know that D is 1 day. I rented it for 1 day. Now I have a very straightforward equation that I can solve very easily. So X plus 26 times 1 is 26 equals 52. And then I want to undo what's been done to X by subtracting 26 from both sides. And I get X on the left and 52 minus 26, or 26 on the right. So it should be 26 plus 26 times D. And that will equal what I have to pay. And this will work. So if it is 1 day, I get 26 plus 26, or $52, which is what they told us. They said it was $52 for the first day. And if it was 2 days, then 26 times 2 is 52 plus 26. And that's what it said. That 52 for the first day and then $26 each additional day. So I do that. If I put the 2 in there, I will get 78, which is what I want. 52 plus an additional 26. Okay, so that one, it's a little sneaky because most of these types of problems where they want you to say what equation represents the data, usually the numbers that they provide are gonna be somewhere in here. 9 times out of 10, if not more so, all of the numbers that they give you end up in this last one. So it is so easy to do, and I admit I absolutely did it the first time I went through. I'm like, wait a minute, but that doesn't work. When I looked at it, I very confidently wrote down, okay, 52 plus, and I'm like, wait a minute, but that would mean that you're paying $78 the first day, and that's not true. What's going on here? Yeah, they're being sneaky. They're being sneaky. 52 does not show up in the answer. The answer is A. C of D equals 26D plus 26. All the other ones have 52 because they are counting on you to think, as I thought too, my initial thing, 52 must be in there somewhere. It is not. So, yeah, be careful with those, especially, this is the big clue, that it's a number 26 problem, but it looks like it's just, okay, 52 plus 26D, okay, I'm done, move on. Unlikely if it's a number 26. Possible, but not as common. Usually there's a twist, and that's what the twist was in this case. Hey guys, the full insanely comprehensive SAT math prep course I've been promising for so long is live right now at mathwithalyssa.com. And of course, you can also still get the free 10 video course on SAT tips and tricks at mathwithalyssa.com as well. You also can now book one-on-one tutoring sessions with me. Links to how you can do that are in the description and the pinned comment below. And as always, if the video you just watched was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.